There we go. Oops. Okay.
Ganon.
Okay. You trying to have beef? I'd rather roll to Sharif. Yeah, he can have me gleaming. Me and Wills get a girl, we tag teaming. Uh-oh, kinda know. Oh no, I don't know. I might grow a fro if I could. Activator should work it out. I might have to flirt it out, work it out, dirk it out like Dirk Nowitzki. I'm a Dallas Maverick. You could call me a Dallas Chavrick, call me a cavern, like I'm walking through this cavern like a little warrior or something. I got the boy or something, I got the boy or something, goy or something, call me a gargoyle or something. Okay, I'm a goon, not a goblin. Goblin, not a goon. Use a buffoon. Use a baboon. Red booty, like a baboon. Bad dune. I got the bad dune like I'm riding on ATV. You don't even know me. ATV stands for active, tipsy, victory.
Ow!
Yeah, okay.